Definition of procedure text. What is a procedure text? A procedure text is a text that explains, informs, or helps the reader on how to make or use something. In Indonesian, the definition of a procedure text is a text that provides instructions, informs, or helps the reader understand how to create or do something. Usually, this type of text starts with the parts how to, for example, how to make a cup of tea or how to operate an oven. Procedure texts are commonly found in cookbooks and manuals. Purpose of procedure text. The purpose of a procedure text is to show how something is made, used, done through a sequence of steps. In Indonesian, the purpose of a procedure text is to explain how something is made, done, or used through a sequence of steps. Generally, procedure texts are used to describe step by step how something can be made or achieved. By using procedure text, you can more easily understand and follow instructions correctly. Structure of procedure text. Goal. The procedure text that explain the purpose or objective. Material ingredients. Section describe materials or ingredients needed. Steps. This section provides a sequential step-by-step guide on how to achieve the goal using clear and concise language. Language feature. Using action verb cut, fold, twist, hold, slice, pour, cook, age. Using imperative sentences. Using simple present tense, do this, do that. Linking words to do with time, first, when, then, are used to connect the next. Detailed information on how carefully with the cursors where, from the top, when, after it has said. Kinds of procedure text. There are two types of procedure text. 1. Procedure text explaining how to operate or use something. Example, how to use an air fryer, how to use a dishwasher, how to use a camera. 2. Procedure text giving instruction for performing activity. Example, how to play the violin, how to create a website, how to make rendang. Procedure text, how to make fried rice. Materials, rice, 2 eggs, salt, onions, garlic, leeks, chili, pepper, cooking oil, tomato sauce. Tools, frying pan, stove, spoon, spatula, plate. Steps, prepare ingredients, cook and cool rice, best if made a day ahead. Chop vegetables, egg, carrots, peas, bell peppers. Prepare protein, chicken, shrimp, eggs or tofu. Mince garlic and green onions. Steps, heat the pan. Use a wok or large pan over medium high heat and oil vegetable, sesame or peanut oil. Steps, cook the protein. Stir fry meat or tofu until fully cooked. Then remove from the pan. Steps and add rice and seasonings. Push veggies to the side and add cold rice. Stir fry with soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Steps: add egg, scramble eggs in the pan and mix everything together. 8. Cook protein, bake in, toast well, and serve hot. Thank you, procedure text. My name is Laudana Davi from 11 AKL 1.